A ball of mass m is thrown vertically upward from the ground and reaches a height h before momentarily coming to rest. If g is the acceleration due to gravity, the impulse received by the ball due to gravity force during its flight is. Neglect air resistance. According to problem, a particle of mass m is thrown vertically upwards. It reaches a height h before it momentarily comes to rest. So from v square minus u square equals to 2as, we can write v is 0 minus u square is equal to 2g minus into h. Since acceleration in the mass m is produced by gravity and the acceleration due to gravity will be vertically downwards. So this implies u will be equal to under root of 2gh. Now by the time the particle reaches the projection point, its displacement in vertical direction is 0 and the time taken to complete its trip is called time of flight. So from s equals to ut plus half at square, we can write this as 0 equals to utf plus half times minus g tf square. On simplification, we get tf equal to as 2u upon g, and u is obtained as under root of 2gh. Substituting that value in tf, we get tf equal to as 2 times of under root of 2h by g. Now impulse received by the ball due to gravity force is given by force multiplied by time. So here force is mg and t is time of flight. So which is equal to mg multiplied by 2 times of under root 2h upon g. So on simplification, we get I value equal to as under root of 8m square gh. Therefore, the impulse received by the ball due to gravity force during its flight is under root of 8m square gh. Therefore, the correct option is 4.